Computer memory, our devices would not be the same without. Have you ever wondered how it works? It would be a place where our devices would be unable to store or process any information, rendering them essentially useless. From the smartphones in our pockets to the powerful servers that power the internet, computer memory is the unsung hero that enables these incredible machines to perform their tasks seamlessly. Imagine a world without computer memory. It would be a place where our devices would be unable to store or process any information, rendering them essentially useless. From the smartphones in our pockets to the powerful servers that power the internet, computer memory is the unsung hero that enables these incredible machines to perform their tasks seamlessly. But what would that world look like? No more instant access to our favorite apps, no more streaming movies or music, no more seamless multitasking between different programs. Our digital lives would come crashing down, leaving us stranded in a world devoid of the convenience and connectivity we've come to rely upon. Welcome to AI Tech Underground. We're always exploring cutting-edge technology. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you do not miss a single exciting tech video. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this remarkable technology actually works? What lies beneath the sleek exteriors and intricate circuitry of our devices? That's precisely what we'll be uncovering in this captivating exploration, as we delve into the intricate details of computer memory and unravel the secrets that make it such an indispensable part of our digital lives. We'll peel back the layers of abstraction, revealing the intricate dance of electrons and the ingenious engineering that enables these tiny components to store and process vast amounts of data with incredible speed and reliability. Brace yourselves as we dive headfirst into the realm of computer memory, where every byte and bit plays a crucial role in the functioning of our devices. We'll start by exploring the fundamental building blocks of memory, the transistors and capacitors that form the basis of this incredible technology. You'll learn about the intricate processes that govern the storage and retrieval of data at the most fundamental level, and how these tiny components work together to create a vast and complex system that powers our digital world. From there, we'll delve into the different types of memory, each with its own unique characteristics and applications. We'll unravel the mysteries of volatile memory, RAM random access memory, which serves as the temporary workspace for your computer, enabling it to multitask and handle even the most demanding applications with ease. But what makes RAM so special? We'll explore the intricate architectures and technologies that allow this type of memory to provide lightning-fast access to data, ensuring that your computer can keep up with your every command. But that's not all. We'll also explore the world of non-volatile memory, such as hard drives and solid-state drives, SSDs, which serve as the long-term storage solutions for your precious data, photos, and videos. You'll be amazed at the ingenious engineering that goes into these devices, allowing them to store and retrieve information with lightning-fast speeds and incredible reliability. From the intricate magnetic domains of hard drives to the cutting-edge flash memory of SSDs, we'll uncover the secrets that make these storage solutions so vital to our digital lives. As we progress through this enthralling journey, we'll uncover the secrets of memory hierarchies and caching mechanisms, which play a crucial role in optimizing the performance of our devices. You'll learn about the intricate dance of data that occurs between different levels of memory, ensuring that the information you need is always readily available when you need it. We'll explore the sophisticated algorithms and techniques that enable this seamless flow of data, and how they've evolved to keep pace with the ever-increasing demands of modern computing. Midway through our exploration, we'd like to take a moment to remind you that if you're enjoying this journey into the world of computer memory, be sure to subscribe to AI Tech Underground. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest insights and discoveries from the cutting edge of technology. And by subscribing, you'll never miss an update. Join our community of curious minds as we explore the frontiers of human knowledge and unravel the mysteries that power our digital world. But our journey doesn't stop there. We'll also delve into the fascinating realm of emerging memory technologies, such as phase change memory and resistive random access memory, RAM, which promise to revolutionize the way we store and access data. These cutting-edge innovations have the potential to overcome the limitations of traditional memory technologies, paving the way for faster, more efficient, and more reliable devices. We'll explore the scientific principles behind these new technologies and how they could shape the future of computing in ways we can scarcely imagine. Throughout our exploration, we'll ensure that every piece of information is accurate and factual, drawing from the latest research and insights from leading experts in the field. We'll delve into the intricate details of memory architectures, error correction mechanisms, and data integrity protocols, ensuring that you gain a comprehensive understanding of this remarkable technology. But we'll also strive to make these complex concepts accessible and engaging, using vivid analogies and real-world examples to bring the science to life. But we won't just focus on the technical aspects. We'll also explore the human stories behind computer memory. From the pioneering scientists who laid the foundations for this technology, to the modern-day engineers pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we'll uncover the passion, dedication, and ingenuity that drives innovation in this field. You'll be inspired by the incredible minds that have dedicated their lives to unlocking the secrets of memory and the incredible breakthroughs that have resulted from their tireless efforts. As we approach the conclusion of our journey, we'll take a glimpse into the future of computer memory. With the ever-increasing demand for faster, more efficient, and more reliable devices, the role of memory will become even more crucial. Imagine devices with virtually unlimited storage capacity, capable of accessing and processing data at speeds that were once thought impossible. We'll explore the cutting-edge research and development that's paving the way for this future, and how it could revolutionize the way we interact with technology. So, what are you waiting for? Like this video, subscribe to AI Tech Underground, and join us on this exhilarating exploration of computer memory. Together, we'll unlock the secrets that power our digital world and gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible technology that has become an indispensable part of our lives. Get ready to be amazed, inspired, and enlightened as we journey through the fascinating world of computer memory. Buckle up and prepare for an adventure that will change the way you look at the devices you use every day, revealing the hidden complexity and ingenuity that lies within their silicon hearts.